Unique Queens, QuianaUnique here. Welcome back to my channel. I just washed my hair. It's still a little damp. You know, we doing the wash and go, let it air dry. Yes. So while it's air drying, I decided to go ahead and bring to you another box. This came a few days ago and I'm like, I'm not doing anything but literally watching hair dry. So decided to go ahead and record a video for you to see what's in this, because I am so excited not only to see what's in this box, but so everybody can see what's in this box, so that way we'll have our 3 boxes for the giveaway. Yeah. But before we get into this box, I want y'all to check out my curls. They doing better, you guys. Look at this one. This whole piece decided they wanted to clump together. I didn't separate it because I didn't want to disturb any of my curls. So I'm going to do it after it all dries. But I thought that was like the funniest thing, that it's all just decided to clump together right there. But I'm not going to complain about clumping curls. Not at all, because it could all be frizzy. So I'm happy. If you guys want to know what I put in my hair, leave that comment down below and I will share that with you in another video. I'm so excited. Hope y'all don't mind me moving around like this. But okay, so we're gonna open this box. Before I get started, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you won't miss out on any of my future videos, and so you also will be tuned in when I finally announce who are the winners for the 3 boxes that I am giving away, which means this one's going bye-bye as well. But you'll get to know, you will be informed and notified when that video comes up if you hit that bell right next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and also comment on which box you would like to win. Okay, so without further ado, because I've been talking and I've been messing up and I'm still excited, so we're going to see what's in this box. I've already pre-opened, because you know this thing be giving me a hard time sometimes. I'm going to try not to drop once again, and let's see. Here we go. Up. Yeah, she tried to come out this time. Oh, look at this model. I am loving it. Loving it. When my hair gets that long, I'm going to take a picture just like this. Okay, information about the products are inside of here, but first we want to see what the products are. We have, OMG, a bunch of green in here. That's what I see. Gotta sit the box down so we can see what's in here one by one. Okay, this is product number 1. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Dr. Naturals is what it says. It cleanses, conditions, rejuvenates, removes buildup. Great. Okay, at the bottom it says Dr. Naturals 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner is formulated with herbal extracts that nourish your hair, stimulates hair growth, and reduce hair loss. Wow. Use. Massage into wet hair thoroughly. Rinse and repeat. Wash out thoroughly and apply Dr. Naturals hair growth. Well, I don't know if I have that part yet, but anyway, this is something new to me. Never seen it, never heard about it, but that is awesome. Let me look in the book so that way I can get more information to see what this has for us. Okay, I'm opening the book and it says that this product here has lemongrass in it, and I did not read that, but it states it right on that part. It has lemongrass. It says this natural shampoo and conditioner is enhanced with coconut oil, avocado oil, and aloe to nourish the scalp. OMG. Stimulate hair growth and reduce hair loss. Wow. See? This box be bringing me stuff that I have never seen or heard about, but Dr. Natural said he's finna hook somebody up with a healthy scalp and hair growth and to reduce hair loss. Yes, product number 1 that I pulled out. It's showing up right here on this side, so we've got some other products to go. So let's pick out product number 2. Okay, product number 2 is right here. This is a black Jamaican castor oil shampoo. As you can see, it looks like it has separated. So I'm going to shake it up a little bit so that way we can kind of get a actual color and what it really looks like because it's settled. There we go. All right, this is, like I said, a castor oil shampoo. It doesn't really have much information on it. It tells you how to use it. So I'm just going to go straight to the book for this. Okay, it's an 8 ounce. The other one was an 8 ounce as well. It says, nourish your hair with our black Jamaican castor oil shampoo. It gently removes product buildup in your hair. Both of these kind of have the same benefits. It's going to get rid of product buildup. It's going to leave your hair healthier, stronger, and reduce breakage. So that's the first 2 products. Next we have this baby, which I think I'm gonna like. I like the packaging of this. Garnier Fructis Style. This is a curl snap. It defines your curls, honey. I already know. Define spray gel. It's a defined spray gel. I can already tell this is bomb. Curl definer. This one has a strong hold of 2, which means it's kind of a light hold is what I'm going to get at, because from 1 through 5, 5 meaning it's the strongest and this is a 2. So not a super strong hold, but it's a holding gel spray. Awesome. Garnier Fructis. Now I used to use Garnier's shampoo. I want to smell this. Yeah, so I was going to say I used to use Garnier's shampoo, and it always had a beautiful fruit and floral smell, and this definitely has one of their signature fruity floral scents. For looking at it, I thought it was going to smell like apples, but it doesn't smell like apples. So that's it. I'm going to look in here for information. Garnier Fructis Style Curl Shape Defining Curl Gel. Boost your waves or natural curly hair to create curl definition with shine and no frizz. Yes! Get the power to create and control any style you want. That's saying a lot. That is saying a whole lot. You better be doing it if you go say all that. Anyway, so this is product number 3. All right, so this is product number 4. Oh, hey, baby. Garnier Fructis Style. This is for curly hair. It loosens your curls. It's a loosening pudding. It unwinds for naturally curly hair. This has coconut oil in it. It is a extra strong hold, number 3, so 3 out of 5. It's a little stronger than this. Now this here, boy, this is going to give you, if you have curly hair like me, it's going to bring it out to more of a wave. I'm assuming that it's just going to stretch out the curl that you already have. Let's read what's in the book to see if that is true, if that's what they're talking about, because that's what I kind of get from the packaging. Okay, Garnier Fructis Style Curl Stretch Loosening Pudding Styles and treats in one step to nourish and elongate natural curls for a wavy look without the crunch. That is saying a lot. Wavy without the crunch. It also goes on to say that it has coconut oil in it, which I read to you. And then this is going to give you what you need without a bunch of buildup. Garnier, y'all just coming up with some stuff. So in this box, this is already product number 4. You get 2 really, really natural shampoo conditioner type products. Then there's 2 stylers from Garnier Fructis. I am just like, wow. I think I like this out of all of it. But guess what? We're not done. There is a bonus item in this box, and I'm going to pull it out right now. Uh-oh. Okay, look. This here, this here. It's from Dr. Naturals. So Dr. Naturals put 2 things in this box as well. This is Dr. Naturals Ultimate Hair Grow. Ultimate Hair Grow. Thought there was going to be another word there. Enriched with avocado oil. I got to open this. I hope you guys don't mind. I got to open it. I know I'm giving it to you guys, but... all right. Oh, that is very strong. That is a very strong medicine-y Vicks Vapor Rub smelling formula. Woo! Okay. I learned my lesson right there. You don't just stick your nose into stuff like that. Boy. Woo-wee. All right. This is from Dr. Naturals. It's the Ultra Hair Grow. This shea butter enriched treatment strengthens your roots, promotes hair growth, conditions and restores. It's enriched with avocado oil here. So we were blessed with, I'm trying not to cover my face, and trying to hold all of these things, but I don't think I can. Let's see. We were blessed with 5 items this time in this box. This box, you guys, is about $25 a month. It is a subscription that you can cancel at any time. So you can just get boxes month after month after month and try products that you don't even see on the shelves at some of your local drugstores or Walmart, Target type of places. Like, this is amazing because this is not there. This is not at Target or Walmart. And whoever gets this box, I want you guys to let me know about this more than anything. Well, no, I take that back. Let me know about these 3 things more than anything. I just may be buying this on my own, you guys. Like, this caught my attention, and I'm so curious about this over everything else. But great box. Another great box. So super excited to give these things away for you guys to share with me what you think about these products. If you've tried any of these products, definitely let me know about that because I am curious about them all. But definitely the Dr. Naturals, like, that's something new. I haven't heard of it. Let me know if you've heard of it. Okay, so that giveaway, you guys, I want to make sure that everybody enters to win. If you want any of these products, like, I'm giving away a lot of stuff. These Your Natural Hair boxes are amazing, and I wanted to share it all with my subscribers. So don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and hit that bell right next to it so that way you won't miss out on who's the winner as well as future videos. Always, always, always be unique. See you next week. Bye.